Hey there, come sit with me and let's start by taking a nice breath together with a nice gentle sway. Today we're going to give our hips and our spine a little love with some nice soothing twists and stretches. No fancy move and no pressure here. Just gentle mindful motion to help your body feel open, relax. So let's ease right in. Listen to what feels good and enjoy this little moment for ourselves. Big inhale up, exhale, hands to heart. Keep going down, stretch the fingers, come back. Back of the hand, back of the hand. Ooh, nice big heart. Open up, exhale down. If the breath is too much, just remember not to hold it. Again. Now be creative with this. You can draw something else than a heart. Maybe your heart is different than mine. Maybe yours move up when mine moves down. Let's get on our tummy. Oh, slow, slow. Be careful, go very slow, gentle. Make sure if you know you cannot get back up, make sure there's somebody there or a chair or something to help you back up. And I've got videos also to help you do that. So, oh, nice stretch on the back. Let's just melt. Let's just melt into our mat here. Oh, yes. I'm gonna move to sound over only because I'm filming this on a Saturday. It's a very, very nice day. We don't have too many of those. And I know some of my neighbors are gonna start like making sounds with their mowing the lawn one last time and all that fun stuff, and trimming the shrubs. Just settle into your stomach. Hi there. I told you I'd be back. Yeah, just in case there's some noise. I think there was an airplane that flew over at one point. Neighbors were not that bad, but just relax here. I'm putting my fist one on top of the other just to make a little pillow for my forehead, relaxing my lower back here. We're not staying there long, actually. When you're ready, we just lift into your elbows. We're gonna go into Sphinx. So just breathe here. Elbows directly under the shoulders if possible. Making like half a box with our arms. Smile, smile. Now press your hands into your mat. Just press and the top of your feet. Press the top of your feet, and now just put your toes. Fold your toes if you want, just to have add a little stretch. Let's go to up dog. Just lift your hips off the ground like cobra with the hips up. That's your up dog right there. You should be able to swing freely your hips from side to side. Back in our Sphinx, and you bring one knee forward. We're gonna turn that way into our sitting position. I like sitting crisscross, but if something else is better for you, go right ahead. Just breathe here. And you have the option also to put your feet, the bottom of your sole into the other, just for a nice forward fold with a little butterfly, a hip opener here, but your legs can be crisscross and you still can round your back like that. Inhale up and then exhale, a little twist here. You have the option to bring your other arm to the opposite leg, keeping the leg down a little bit so the knee is towards the mat. Just breathe into this. And come back to center. Inhale, big inhale, exhale to the other side. Let's draw our knees a little more towards the mat. We're not pushing on it, we're just guiding them. Smile, smile, that's important. And again, we're gonna float that one side to the next. We don't go as far as your body is able to rotate here. We're gonna do a little side bend. Your ear towards your shoulder, maybe looking up. Upper shoulder opens up, so send your shoulder back, your upper shoulder back. The arm can stay down on your hips too if bringing it up doesn't work for you today. Nice side bend. Press with your feet, and you can remain sitting down if that doesn't work for you. Just rotate the neck here wherever you happen to be. Here it's a nice little toe stretch, a little like we did before the up dog. Hello again. Now without the hands, try to see for a little balance here. It's fun. If you fall into your bum, you're like a few inches from the ground, so don't worry about that. Inhale, arms up. Exhale them down. Inhale, back up. Exhale down. Just keep breathing and pow, bum on the ground. Oh, one leg is straight forward, just hug the other knee. Oh, just hug that hip here right into you. This is all feel good moves, so something doesn't feel right, don't do it, skip it. Not everything is for each one of us. So certain things we skip. I skip things in the yoga class too. If they're gonna go stand on their head, I don't do that. I used to teach that. I don't no longer do that. Didn't like it then. Now I do what I want and what feels good for my own body. So let's switch leg. I only turned around so you can see me, and also my neck get stiff at times. Just tiny rock side to side. Look up. Look what's around you. Maybe exhaling towards your leg. When you inhale, add a little length. Exhale, soften. Yeah, a little side twist. Let's go check what's on the side. Hello, hello. Oh, little finger. Rolling the wrist. Stretching the fingers. Stretch, stretch. Open the doorknob. And just keep a bend in the knees if you want. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, straighten your back. Just go in your staff pose. Feel free to bend your knee. Inhale up. Exhale, round your back. Add a little length when you inhale and when you exhale. Just soften. We're not there long. Just take a breath. Maybe try to straighten your leg just a little bit to get more stretch. Now scoot forward. We're going back on our back just to give our knees a nice hug. Maybe rolling side to side if it feels good to your lower back. Rolling your hips side to side, and then different ways to find yourself into tabletop on your knees and on your hands. So you can go into your Sphinx first, bring your one knee forward, whatever works for you to get in tabletop. And let's start stretching our legs back. Maybe sinking our heel down a little bit for that nice little back of the calf and leg stretch. That's great if you're plagued with sciatica issues. Just nice little stretch. If both legs wants to go back, we can go in a little very, very spread out down dog. You can bring your knees down for modification, peekaboo. can't help it. It's so strange for me not talking and just moving like that. Let's go in pigeon. Bring your foot in a little bit. Here, try to face your hips, face them forward if possible a little bit. We're not going there very long, so if you can skip that completely. It's a nice little hip opener. I'm gonna do the other side, and you can see a little better. You can go down, but not all the way. Don't collapse into your knees. That's not good. So stretch, you can go up and the foot comes in. Again, you can put also a pillow under your hip to make your hip a little more parallel with the floor. Adjust yourself here. If this is like, I don't feel nothing, just bring the front foot forward a little bit. See how that feels for you. Just go down a tiny bit, but only if it feels nice. Smile, smile. Are you smiling? Smile. You're yawning, huh? Oh, take your time coming out of it. Now, wave if you want. Hug your knees one more time and let's all meet on our back. So take your time here. Maybe one big inhale with your hands overhead. Just relax, breathe. Keep one knee folded and pass it over the other leg. It does not have to touch the ground at all. My other arm, I just like reach away the opposite arm. You can't see it on that side, but it stretched away just to add a little bit, trying to keep my shoulder blade into the ground. Now other side, just send your knee to the side. Hello, arm is stretched away. So only if it feels nice to you, little organic motion with your feet, maybe your wrist and fingers while at it. If stillness isn't your thing, just add a little motion with your toes or fingers. Now a little side to side. Lower back, and let's just breathe on our back for a moment here. Lift one leg or both at the same time. Now this is a little variation of tree pose and a little bicycle to it. So any little motion that feels good. A little side to side just to open the hips a little bit. You can keep your feet on the ground. Little ballet feet, anything that feels good. You're also working your lower abs. If you want that lower tummy to work even more, just bring your feet a little closer to the ground. The closer you are to that ground, the harder it is. The harder you work and the better your little tummy will be. Let's get on our floor and then lift your shoulder up. You can keep your bums down if you want. Tuck your toes, get to enjoy a nice stretch and placing your hands on your lower back, elbows drawing towards one another. Just a small, gentle back bend. Just enjoy it. Make sure the neck is relaxed. You're leaning a little bit back. Just test the water here, see how that works for you. And sit back on your heel, or you can untuck your feet if you want to. I think mine are untucked right now. And just breathe here, just breathe. Plant one hand to the side when you're ready. Let's inhale one arm up. Exhale, add some length to this. Yeah, here we go. You can have your grounding hand under your shoulder as well if you want a little bit more stability and to be more lined up. I'm just going for a deeper, more dramatic a band here, just for something different. Other side here. See my wrist under my shoulder, and I'm going a little bit forward. The upper shoulder is open, leaning back, and so is the upper hip is drawing back. Smile, always smile. That's how you know if you're forcing or something. If it's like difficult or something like not right, come out of it. This should feel good. This to make your body feel good, not to hurt you. So just take a deep breath here and exhale all through your nose. Just relax. I'm gonna go back to my own voice, well, directly out of my mouth, of course. Oh dear, I'm glad you held on with me. You're still there. That's wonderful. Just take a comfortable seat, some organic movement, maybe like moving forward. Nice hip opener. It's fantastic for your spine. We want to keep that spine healthy. And I'm gonna go back to myself and my own voice. Thank you for spending this time for your body today. Keep noticing how your body feels, and remember, you can always come back to this video or check what else I've got on my playlist. I am Anne-Marie with That's Life Yoga, wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.